Today I'll show you how to transfer all of your data from your old MacBook Pro 2015 model to your MacBook Air 2025 M4 series. So firstly, turn on both devices. With the new MacBook, basically you'll have to set it up firstly. So select the language, click on next, select your region, next, continue here, continue on accessibility, and then you'll want to connect to your Wi-Fi. So put in your password for the Wi-Fi and then click on continue. And then at data and privacy, click continue. And then at this migration assistant message, you want to pause. So here you want to select the first option. So from a Mac, Time Machine Backup or Startup Disk, click on continue. And then it's asked you to connect AC power. You can click on continue without doing that right now. And then at this point, one of the key things here is basically when you want to transfer information to this Mac, you have to make sure that your old Mac and your new Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. On your old Mac, click Command and Space, and then Spotlight Search will come up, and here you want to type in Migration Assistant. So the first option, click on that, and then you'll see this appear, so click on Continue. Then you want to enter your password if you have one on your Mac, old Mac that is, and then on your old Mac here still, we'll get this message, so it'll say it's setting up, and then it might ask you to log in, but you can ignore that, and then continue. And then here you'll want to choose to another Mac because we're transferring data to another Mac, and then the AC power message will come up again. You can continue, then click continue, and here it's basically setting up. So now your old Mac will appear on the new Mac, so you'll see it there. So you'll click on continue, then it's checking the old Mac, and you'll see this pin, so 914357, and it will show on both. So once it shows on both, you can click on continue on the old one, and then the new one will basically explore all the data and find all the data that's there. So click on continue. And then if you have multiple profiles set up, then it will ask you which one you want to set up as admin. I'm going to keep my current one, so then you can set up the password for that, and it will give you a temporary password for your old one that you'll have to remember. So note that down. So on the main profile, just enter a password that you'll remember, and then set the password, and then click continue. And then it'll just remind you to make a note of that password for the other profile. And here it will begin transferring data. So it's looking for applications and documents to transfer from the old Mac to the new Mac. And here you'll see it's doing the same on the old Mac. And now it says transferred one file. So it will say the same on the old one. So here we have it on the old one. Now I'm going to remember to just put the connection power charge on both devices. And here you'll see both are saying transferred 84 files. So the time is 4:54, and now it says 3 hours and 11 minutes to transfer, and the speed. So it's quite a bit of time it could take. So what I'd recommend is just checking connection details and see what the connection speed is. So you'll see how fast that is. And the time might change, but finally when it's migrated, it will show this message, and then your MacBook will restart, so your new MacBook. And you just wait for it to load, and then it's finishing transferring your information, so you'll have this message on your new Mac, and then it'll say migration completed. And the time was 7:32 when it finished. So we're going to click not now here. You'll have some installation and setup things again, so set up later, skip, and then analytics. I'm just going to continue, skip, and then you can change your wallpaper to your old one, and then it will say welcome to Mac, and you might get some other pop-ups. Just click on OK and then continue, and now you'll see here I've got all my Chrome profiles here, all my files. If I go into Finder, all my documents and so on are there as well.